Now start with new chapter, chapter 3, current electricity, part 1, class 12th physics. First is, what is current? Electric current, the charge flowing through any section of the कंडक्टर. कंडक्टर के किसी भी सेक्शन में 1 सेकेंड में जो चार्ज फ्लो होगा उसको क्या कहेंगे? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. I is equals to Q by T if rate of flow of charge is steady, and I is equals to dQ by dt if a charge varies with time. Now here different types of currents. Steady current which does not vary with time. Varying current where whose magnitude varies with time. Alternating current whose magnitude varies continuously and direction changes periodically. Means डायरेक्शन क्या पीरियडिकली चेंज होती है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. नाउ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी एंड करंट. द वेलोसिटी विद विच द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेट ड्रिफ्टेड. फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे? ड्रिफ्टेड होंगे टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ द applied electric field. Here we have, as we can see in the diagram, electrons क्या है? ड्रिफ्टेड हो रहे टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव field. Here Vd equals to A T, where Vd is drift velocity, T is relaxation time, Vd equal to minus E, capital E divided by M into T, where E is the electric field, M is the mass of electrons, A is acceleration, and A is the area of cross section. Now current density. In current density at a point within a conductor is the current through a unit area of the conductor. Unit area of the conductor around that point, provided the area is perpendicular to the direction of flow of current at that point. Means J is equals to I by A equals to NE V D. In vector form, I is equals to J into A vector. Here we have graph between V and I. Now Ohm's law. In Ohm's law, G.S. Ohms in 1828 discovered if V be the potential difference between the ends of the conductor through which a current I is flowing, then Ohm's law states that V directly proportional to I or V equals to Ri, where R is the proportionality constant known as resistance, and SI unit is ohm. Now dependence of resistance on length of conductor. In length of conductor, V is equals to I Ri be the form of a slab of length L. ये क्या है? Length L and cross section area A, and V here I. Now resistance of slab V equals to V upon I equals to R. Now if we consider two identical slabs, इसमें हमारे पास क्या थी? फर्स्ट ओनली वन थी. अगर हम कंसिडर करते हैं टू आइडेंटिकल स्लैब्स फॉर डायग्राम, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिकल slabs with length L and V and area A, then the potential difference across the ends of the first slab is V. First slab is V and the second is also V. So दोनों का क्या हो जाएगा? V plus V क्या होगा? V plus V 2V हो जाएगा. Now current through the combinations is L, so resistance of the combination is RC equals to 2V divided by equals to 2R. Okay. Now doubling the length of the conductor keeping area of cross section A is constant doubles the resistance. So we can say that resistance directly proportional to length. As we double the length of the conductor, doubles the resistance. Okay, so R directly proportional to length L. Now dependence of resistance upon area of cross section A of the कंडक्टर, इसमें हमारे पास क्या है, ये हाफ हाफ हो जाएगा, I by 2 I by 2 A by 2 A by 2. सो हियर नाउ इमेजिन डिवाइडिंग द स्लैब. फर्स्ट हमारे पास फर्स्ट थी, उसके बाद हमने 2 करी, उसके बाद हम क्या इसका हाफ करेंगे. नाउ डिवाइडिंग स्लैब इनटू 2 identical slabs of length L एंड एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, A by 2. डिवाइड करेंगे तो A का क्या हो जाएगा, A by 2 हो जाएगा. देन फॉर गिवन वोल्टेज अक्रॉस I इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द एंटायर स्लैब. सो करंट थ्रू ईच हाफ स्लैब इज, करंट हाफ स्लैब में क्या होगा, I by 2 here, I by 2 and I by 2. I by 2 प्लस I by 2 मिलकर ही तो I बनाएगा. सो नाउ पोटेंशियल क्रॉस ईच स्लैब इज, पोटेंशियल अक्रॉस क्या होगा, पोटेंशियल इज V. नाउ रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ हाफ स्लैब इज इक्वल्स टू V divided by I by 2. Then we get 2V by I, we get 2R. Okay. Now when area cross section of conductor is half, resistance is double. Means जब area क्या होगा, half होगा, area when area is half, resistance इज डबल. इसमें हमने क्या एरिया हाफ लेट किया था, तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया, रेजिस्टेंस डबल हो गया. सो वी कैन से दैट रेजिस्टेंस इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 बाय एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. सो आर directly proportional to 1 by A. और for proportionality constant consider rho. so ये क्या हो जाएगा, rho क्या हो जाएगा, proportionality constant, ये L होगा. so constant of proportionality rho. ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है, रो डिपेंड ऑन द कंडक्टर बट नॉट ऑन डायमेंशंस. सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, रो इज नोन एज रेजिस्टिविटी और स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस. रेजिस्टिविटी. ओके. नाउ हियर सम लिमिटेशंस ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. First one is, as V kisses through the proportional for I for a gun conductor. Means the proportionality of V and I does not hold certain materials and devices used in electric circuits. First क्या है, proportionality of V and I, proportionality of V और I क्या है, does not hold for certain materials. certain materials के लिए क्या है, does not hold, hold नहीं कर पाते कुछ certain materials को. and devices used in electric circuits. Proportionality of V and I does not hold certain materials and devices used in electric circuits. Now, as value of current is different for same value of current is different for same potential difference on reversing the direction of V just like you can say that here we have a graph between V and I on reversing means reverse करेंगे जो position को like here reversing the position suppose we have point 1 here point -1 so ये क्या हो जाएगा reversing that means value of current is different for current की value क्या होगी different होगी for same potentials on reversing the direction of V. Next value of potential is different for same current different होगी same current के लिए